Ever wonder, can emotions cause physical discomfort, or how do you heal an emotional wound? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Deep Blue essential oil to support and process emotions naturally. Yes, even those ones that may be at the very root of your physical discomfort. If you're looking for an essential emotions coach that can help you improve your lifestyle, then click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And stick around until the end to hear how to get my essential oils emotional reference guide. My name is vanZ. I'm a registered nurse, certified essential emotions coach, and body talk practitioner. I have been involved in the wellness industry for 30 plus years now, educating and working with thousands of people like you. Did I say for 30 plus years? I'd like to help people become emotionally and financially self-reliant and thriving. In this video, I'm going to share Deep Blue's emotional resume. I'm going to touch on the negative emotions and positive properties that it addresses and instruct on how to use. Deep Blue is also known as the oil of surrendering discomfort. Deep Blue is generally used for physical discomfort, but it can also assist individuals who are resisting or avoiding the emotions that underlie their physical discomfort. It offers strength to face emotional wounds, allowing the wounds to surface for transformation and healing. This blend can teach individuals how to be the observer of their physical experiences rather than over-identifying with them. When individuals suffer from intense emotional or physical discomforts, it is common for them to act irrationally or lose their head. Deep Blue can support the mind in staying cool and collected, regardless of the emotional turmoil or physical discomfort individuals may be in. In this way, they maintain mental clarity in the face of danger or discomfort. At its core, Deep Blue teaches acceptance and tolerance of discomfort. It reveals the possibility that discomfort is not cruel or bad, but is simply a teacher. Instead of resisting discomfort, one may embrace the lessons it has to offer. As individuals let go of resistance, discomfort lessens and often dissipates altogether. By understanding the nature of the discomfort, this blend encourages an assimilation of all of life's experiences. The negative emotions that Deep Blue is really good at working to support and process through include, but are not limited to, the following: resisting discomfort, avoiding emotional issues, panicked, fearful, wounded, and unhealed. The positive properties that Deep Blue helps to enforce include being strengthened, accepting, soothed, serene, healing. Perhaps now you can see why Deep Blue is a household favorite for many that have discovered it. Now for some suggested uses, aromatically you can inhale it directly from the bottle or diffuse it. Topically, you can dilute 1 to 3 drops in a carrier oil and massage wherever the emotional or physical discomfort is. So for instance, you might want to use it over the heart or on your neck. It comes in multiple forms. It comes in a roller bottle. It comes in a stick. It comes in a rub. And each of these delivery systems has its own place, right? So I love to throw this one in the diffuser. This is great for traveling with. This one I like to keep at my desk. And then of course, this big jumbo one I keep in my area where I work out, because I get a better workout when my muscles and joints are supported well. I want to invite you to share in the comment field what oil or emotion you want to learn more about from the emotional perspective, right? Click the bell if you appreciated this content to make sure you get notified when the next video is uploaded. You made it to the end. Download my free top 10 essential oils starter kit emotional reference guide by clicking on the link in the description field. And please take a moment to like, subscribe, and watch related videos. Oh, and PS, at this time, there's a link in the description section for Deep Blue at, get this, wholesale pricing with a gifted annual membership for all first timers. It's a great time to get yours.